Hi everyone, this is Jest from Jest QuickNews bringing you the latest updates on labor and wages in Ghana. The National Tripartite Committee, NTC, has concluded negotiations on the 2026 National Daily Minimum Wage during its meeting on Sunday, the 9th of November 2025, in Accra, in accordance with Section 113(1)(a) of the Labor Act, 2003. After carefully considering the current economic conditions, cost of living, business sustainability, and the need to promote job creation and economic growth, the committee agreed on a 9% increase in the national daily minimum wage, resulting in a new rate of GES 21.77 per day, effective the 1st of January 2026. All establishments, institutions, and organizations currently paying below this rate are required to adjust their wages accordingly from January, and any entity that fails to comply will face sanctions as prescribed by law. Additionally, the committee recommends that the 2026 national daily minimum wage be exempt from tax, providing workers with more take-home pay. This announcement marks an important step in improving the welfare of workers across Ghana while balancing the sustainability of businesses and economic growth. Stay tuned to Jest QuickNews for further updates and guidance on implementation, and share this information with friends and family to ensure everyone is aware of the new wage rate for 2026.